We're at Georgia Bushcraft Fall Gathering. We have this patch, and we're going to see what we can trade it up to, maybe a custom knife. All right.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Dude, excellent.
I came back with something to trade.
Oh.
It may not be good enough for the poop emoji, but could you trade? It's just a carry commission patch, so that's my patch from carry commission. All right?
There it is.
All right, thanks, dude.
Okay, for sure.
We're going to see how far we can go with this. So we traded the carry commission patch for this poop emoji. Ask for shit. Let's see what we can get for a poop emoji lanyard bead. I got a question for you. Are you in a hurry? You whistle time. At the same. All right, we're doing a thing. Video. I'm trading up. What would you be willing to trade for a poop emoji lanyard bead? You have one too? Did it come from you guys?
I'm going to show you.
All right, this is now going on OnlyFans. All right. Sweet. Yeah, thanks, dude. Traded a poop emoji for a poop emoji and a rupee. See what we can get for this. All right.
I'm about to teach class. What do you want?
We're trading up. I have a poop emoji and a rupee. Do you have anything you would trade for these?
You want to do a spark?
Okay. Yeah,
is that fair?
That's a great trade.
Yeah.
I mean, for me.
Let's do a spark.
Okay, sweet.
Up, bro.
Hell yeah. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. We got a spark necklace for that poop emoji. So we're trading up. We started with a patch, and we've made 3 trades now.
Yeah.
And we have a spark necklace. Ooh, it's a pretty even trade. I don't know which one's going to go further. Sure. All right, thanks.
There you go.
You might have won out on that one. We traded the spark necklace for the guided field sharpener from Worksharp. Yeah, that was a pressure trade. I'm feeling that. You're a first step back.
I give you one chance to go back. If you want to go back on it, you can.
No, this one's bigger. I feel like this one's like, it has that visual impact.
There you go.
This is what we have right now. We've traded from a patch up to this, like 4 or 5 trades.
Oh, really?
So this is the guided field sharpener from Worksharp.
Okay.
You got that is a fine and a coarse diamond.
Yeah.
You have a strop.
Okay.
These are your angle guides for 20.
Okay.
And then you have a ceramic here, which is fine.
Cool. Yeah.
You have a coarse, and then a hook sharpener.
Okay.
And then that's the serration sharpener.
All right.
What do you got to trade? Okay. Wow.
Dude, this
is a good trade.
Make me proud. Make Daddy proud, okay?
Make Daddy proud. Oh,
Trade
wow.
that.
That's a good trade.
It's a good trade.
That's a really good trade.
Okay, then I want more than I'm just kidding.
I'll give you a hug.
Oh, come on, Taylor.
Yeah.
I thought he was going to be like, never mind. I thought for sure.
Nope, I called your bluff on it. So we traded the Worksharp guided field sharpener for this survival kit. This is not the actual kit because it was kind of piecemeal together, but we have all sorts of stuff up here, like a ceramic and a ferro rod, some fishing lures. This is a micro fishing kit. Got a whole bunch of tools inside of it. This is a mini first aid kit, tweezers and all sorts of things in there. Lock picking kit. And then there are 4 cards in here as well. So there's a trapping kit. This is Kelso's card from Grim Workshop, Joe Flowers card, and then a sewing kit as well. So that's a lot of stuff, a value of, I want to say probably about 150 or so. So we went, that was a big trade up. Thanks, Jordan. What is this?
That Karaswando will get you further.
I don't know.
I don't think it's a custom.
It's actually really comfy.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
I've not ever heard of it though.
They're like a Hele, but a little bit fancier.
Okay.
With reindeer antler pommels on most of their stuff.
If that's the trade you want to make, we can make that trade. Okay. You sure?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
So trading.
All right. So yeah, we're trading Grim kit, which we just went over, which is a whole bunch of stuff for, what did you call this?
Karaswando.
Karaswando.
Model name of that knife, unfortunately.
All right. As long as you're sure.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
Good luck.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so we have this Karaswando knife, Swedish Bushcraft knife, 197. That's a pretty good trade up. That's like 6 trades. All right. You got a trade? You want to trade?
What do you got?
We have a, I don't even remember the name of it. Karaswando. It's a Swedish Bushcraft knife with a Scandi grind, birch handle, antler pommel.
I do not have one of these. I do not have access to these, so I do have a trade.
Okay, what's your trade?
About an LT Rot, crazy carbon camo, full tang,
Okay,
with the sheath, of course.
okay, yeah, that's pretty sick. AEBL,
ABL. Good trade?
I'm good with that.
I'm good with that.
Sweet.
Hold on, let me take my pants off for you.
So we traded Greg for a SMKW exclusive LT Wright Nesmuk in AEBL with, I cannot remember what he called this, crazy fat carbon. I'm not upset if I keep this. We're going to keep trying to trade. But you're telling us that we should probably keep this.
Yes, so a couple things. This is our Camp Muck model. This was made exclusively in this combination for Smoky Mountain Knife Works. There's probably only about 20 of these knives in this combination in the whole wide world. This is a pretty good find. I think you guys have done well, but I think with the right amount of persistence, you could turn this into something else if you find the right trade
For the right person.
This is a good stopping point, and no one is going to say that you're in a bad place, but you might be able to go one back.
It's got to be special. Yeah, it's got to be special.
Yeah. Hold out. Know what you got. Know your worth. Don't get lowballed.
I get lowballed all the time. So we started with a patch, and we're going to trade up to a custom. We're on trade 7, I believe, and we have an LT Wright Smoky Mountain Knife Works Nesmuk custom, or exclusive, with a, I don't even know what this is, crazy fat carbon handle. You want to trade?
Sure.
What do you got?
What do you think you want to trade for?
I don't know.
Well,
I know if there's
you
some.
can't trade for this one because that's already in your pocket.
I do already have one of these. What is this?
That we got the Wicked XL. We got Blast Micarta, flare brass tubes. Unless you're feeling a little tropical, it finally got hot here. So now these are actually fitting.
It is hot here.
That's 8 layers of Cerakote with a little coconut wrap. But I don't know. If you're going salty, we got the Assault Wicket right there too.
Assault Wicket.
Assault Wicket. It's the most dangerous little wicket you could have.
I've been eyeing this one the whole time. Just
I
saying.
don't know.
God, I have too many wickets,
No, you
man.
don't. No, you don't. Don't.
Is this the
don't
trade?
Tell people that. There's no such thing as too many wickets, all right?
Is this what we're gonna do?
I think we could do that.
It's a good trade.
No, let me see this one. Let me,
Well, check it out first.
Let me handle it a little bit.
Check it out. I'm not trying to persuade you.
No, I think it's real.
I'm not trying to persuade you. I want you to make a decision you want to make.
Let's do it. Blue for blue.
Blue for blue. Wow. Too many wickets.
Never enough.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This sheath?
That sheath.
All right. There we go. Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you.
All right. It's a pretty rare knife, apparently.
Well, now it's mine. So
One of 20.
You're not allowed to look at it no more. It's mine. Get out of here.
It's only 20 made.
Scram! Thanks, dude.
Thanks, man.
Got another wicket.
Yep, so now we have a Wicket Nitro V, my Micarta handles, brass flared tubes
What's the value?
with a Kydex sheath. 325.
Shoo.
Not bad. Not bad. I really want to stay here now.
What do we start with?
A patch.
How much is the patch again?
2 for 20.
There you
So
go.
$10.
From a $10 patch to a $325 knife, we're doing good.
I'll take it.
Hey man, we traded your patch.
Yeah, we stole the patch.
So I get that, right?
We stole a patch off of Jordan's bum bag and traded it up for this.
Cool.
So here's your knife. Just kidding. No, I'm kidding. You can check it out.
Sweet.
We're not done yet.
I can look at it.
I'm going to give you another patch when we get back to the office.
This is a sweet knife.
So we started with a patch. The plan was to trade up to a full custom. We ran out of daylight yesterday. We decided to come back this morning, and most people were already packing up by the time we got out there. So I ended with what we had yesterday, the Wicket XL Nitro V blue, or I guess that's a denim micarta with flared brass tubes or plugs, whatever you want to call it. And that's a pretty good trade up. I really like this knife. Obviously, I bought one myself. However, I got outclassed like pretty hard by some kids. In fact, it was Bushcraftkelso's daughter was running around trading up everything and ended with axes, a knife for her and her sister, and multiples. Like, she was hustling. I am a novice, so I've got some studying to do. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this and you think we should do it again. We did kind of borrow this idea from Ben. It's been done a lot, but it was a lot of fun. And I think Blade Show would probably be a better place to do something like this, because there's a lot more range. This is a much smaller show in terms of vendors and people, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. So let us know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, carry on.